Well, good morning people. How are you all diddling? Oh. That's quite high, is it? Yeah, I thought I'd come out and do a bit of paddling at Frodingham. Got really nice southwesterly, which means I'm going to be paddling against it, but on the way back it's going to be on my back. So without further ado, crack on with it. Right, I'm in. Oh. Set my yeah, good morning people. Although it's I've no idea what time it is. 20 past 9. I did get here at 10 past 8, but I've been talking to the old guy who runs this place. Don't know if any of this audio is going to be any good because it's windy. As you can hear, back wave slap. Oh, it's nice to be back out on water. Nearly had a bit of an accident when I was getting boat in water. Forgot I'd rested my phone up front of the boat, and as I picked it up, bounced onto the floor, then onto the jetty, and landed, two lats, landed just across like that. It could have been quite easily disastrous. Oh, fuck's sake. Left my trainers and socks on. I have to take them off and put them in bloody care. Longhorns are in water again. Oh, wind-free bit. There's a hell of a lot more weeds and grasses, reeds and grasses than there were 3-4 weeks ago, whenever it was. Oh, ain't this wonderful? What the fuck? Can't go any further. Bloody hell. Well, that's a short one. So I could try and barge my way through it, but I don't know how thick the mat is just under water. And if it's all to do with reeds like these, just under water it's just a web of roots. So I get stuck. Bloody hell. Damn it. I'll have to let him know. Oh dear. Knew we were going on to the straight there. I thought, there's a bend in it, river here. No, they ain't. It's a wall of reeds. I'm not having a lot of luck with this kayaking, like, am I? Last one on sea at Filey. That'll cut short because it was just too rough for me. And now nature says I can't do a long paddle. My plan was to do a good 6 hours today. 3 hours one way, 3 hours back. Brought my stove for a cup of tea and something to eat. Oh dear. Such is life, as I say, such is life. Oh well, once again, I don't think I'm going to even use one battery. Dragonflies everywhere. That one, that's a big one, is it? It's only trouble when it's windy. You can't stop paddling and go straight. Oh, I'm back at Frodingham Landing already. That was a short paddle. How was it? 40 minutes. I'll get out on big doodah. Well, that was another fail. That's 2 in a row. Finally. Which wasn't a fail, it was just I knew my limits. Then this one, where Mother Nature decided she wanted to close the canal. Oh dear. Anyway, I'll see what video I can make of it and put it up. Don't know how long it'll be or what it'll be. So I didn't do a lot of talking. I'm going to do some talking later on when I stop for a brew and stuff. But such is life, as I'll say, such is life. There, you got it twice in this video. Anyway, gonna leave it there. Dried kayak, deflated it, just got to pack it all away. So until next time, be safe, be strong, and I'll catch you all later. Bye for now.